Hi, my name is Dave Monahan. I'm with Goodson Tools and Supplies. Today, I'd like to tell you about our electric piston ring filer. It's our PRF 812DW. This rascal here has got a lot of features and benefits, and I want to tell you about them. It's got a 3-inch diameter grinding wheel here. It's got a high torque ball bearing electric motor made right here in the US of A. It has a capacity to fit a piston ring from 2.5 inches in diameter to 5 inches in diameter. This table pivots so we can grind it. We have a lighted on and off switch so we know when the unit is running. We have a built-in precision dial indicator so we can measure the exact amount of material that's being removed from the piston ring. We have a positive stop when we're loading and unloading the piston ring. We're not running into the grinding wheel itself. And we have a built-in deburring wheel right over here. I'd like to show you how we grind pistons. Setting up the piston ring is really quite simple. We've got our scoring plate here. We've got a diameter adjustment here, and it's really quite simple. We loosen this up and we first square that piston ring according to the angle of that parting line. Set our diameter, lock this knob down, and then lock this knob down. From that point on, I've set this piston ring. It is now square, ready to be ground. If I remove the lockout lever, then I can approach the grinding disc, find my 0 point, adjust my indicator back to 0 accordingly, turn the unit on, I'm locked out, I'm locked down, my diameter is set, and I have a choice of 2 ways to remove this material. I can come right in here and start feeding the grinding wheel into the piston ring. Right there was right at 5 thousandths worth of material. Other people will choose to go ahead and dial in 5 thousandths of material, take it all at one time. It really makes no difference which preferred method you choose, as long as you do a full stroke against the piston ring. The beauty about this is it has repeatable accuracy. In other words, once I set up how much material I'm going to take off of this one piston ring, I can then replicate that through my entire set. I don't have to touch this lever anymore because I've already set my diameter according to the piston ring. My main thing is to set it square again, according to that parting line. So I set that down, I'm going to do my locking squaring lever, and I'll come back in and make contact with that grinding wheel, and I'm back to a 0 point here once again. Turn it back on, and start feeding the same amount of material. I took off the other piston. And I can go ahead and complete that through all the piston rings I need for that particular application. We've incorporated a deburring wheel because we're going to get a burr at the end of this piston ring gap once we've machined that material away. This is easy to use as far as just setting it right across there and deburring that edge fast and simply and safely all the way through. I just want to say thank you for taking the time to view this video. You can always call us 1-800-533-8010 or you can catch us on the web at Goodson.com. Go to Goodson.com to see more of these videos produced by Goodson Tools and Supplies. Thank you very much.